friendship that's touched my heart, a bond that's so strong, it's hard to explain. Grateful for a friend who's always been there to stay. Friends until the end, that's our vow. No matter what life throws at us now, our friendship will somehow allow us to conquer every mountain and every bow. Miles may separate, but our hearts remain, a connection that will never wane. A friendship that's timeless, a love that's true. Friends until the end, me and you. Friends until the end, that's our vow. No matter what life throws at us now, our friendship will somehow allow us to conquer every mountain and every bow. Miles may separate, but our hearts remain, a connection that will never wane. A friendship that's timeless, a love that's true. Friends until the end, me and you. Friends until the end, that's our vow. No matter what.
Woke up slow, windows wide, coffee's warm, light feels right. Just one text made me smile. Ain't love, just your style. Don't need much when you're near, I see more when you're here. Even silence feels like peace. Happiness starts with you, carry like melodies do. Didn't hand me a brand new world, just show mine was beautiful. Not someone to hold me up, just walking beside each step I find myself. Oh, oh, oh. City lights, soft and slow, laughter echoes, hearts in flow. Your touch speaks, no need to say. I feel seen in every way. We don't rush, we just breathe. What we have is all I need. Every moment, calm and true. Happiness starts with you, carry like melodies do. Didn't hand me a brand new world, just show mine was beautiful. Not someone to hold me up, just walking beside each step I find myself. When I lose sight of myself, I see me in your eyes again. A melody I almost forgot still carries warmth I didn't see. Happiness starts with you, carry like melodies do. Didn't hand me a brand new world, just showed mine was beautiful. Even in the ordinary days, every time we walk together, each step joy flows
Hello Ma'am Kish, thank you for the friendship. Ikaw gid ang una-una ko nga nakilala nga teacher sa USIS. Salamat gid sa tanan-tanan nga support kag bulig mo sa akon since day one. Hasta subong more chika lang ta magbalik kaluwat diri sa Iloilo. This is not a goodbye, but see you soon. God bless. Kay Banabismo, kag kay Tuto Kaden, mahidlawan gid sila namon. Thank you, I love you so much. See you soon. Ang sapatos, ugali ang 10.5. Salamat.
Hello, Daikish. Thank you. Thank you for the friendship. Thank you sa imo nga pagbulig sa amon sa grade 4. And thank you sa pagpahit sa akon kung kisa mo pauli. And thank you sa mga storya naton, no? Sa pagkadamo-damo. And thank you sa pagkaon. No? Mamiss gid namo ng imo luto. And just live your American dream. Good luck sa inyong new journey. Upod si Joden, kag Tuto Kaden. We will miss you. Halong kamodera. And just keep in touch.
Hi, Day. May kasanggip, Daddy. May kamaltihan, Daddy. Mamiss ko din ang mga moment na sis. Kung sabihin, kagaday kita and Laura Bells, gida yun. Mamiss ko man magsakay sa car mo. Kundiin, dasig ako makapuli. Ikisakabay ako sa'yo. Diba? Friendly user ako. Pero, saksi na ang iyong salakyan. Sang tanan nga, kachismisan. Pero seryoso. Nay, thank you for everything. You are a kind of a friend who's truly selfless. Whenever we needed help, you're always there for us. No hesitation, no question. Kabulig ka lang because gusto mo magbulig. We're so lucky to have you. Tanan nga blessings nga ginabaton mo sa mong deserve mo because you have a soft heart. Halong gid ka mo dito sa US. Kish, Joden, and Tuto Kaden, hindi mo gid paglipatan ng imong mga tita diri kag ang mga tito mo. We love you, I love you. Sabino family. Lastly, syempre, Day, 7.5 or 8.5 ha, hindi paglipati sa balota, charot, sa balikbayan box. Bye!
Kiss! Mama Kiss!
Tuto Kaden.
Tuto Dede!
I'll miss you.
I miss you.
See you.
See you later.
See you next time.
Mama Adaman.
Spider-Man. Mama Kish!
Kish.
Tuto Kaden.
Dede.
Playtime next time.
It's not you.
Ay, pwerte. Di pala. Tama ka na mo ya. Ay, tuod. Nugay, mga tinaga nga amon gid mahidlawan. Mabatian. Sino mapasabay, milk tea? Magsamgyup ta pala. Di ta makadto. Mas cool sila buwas. Nanay sang binis. Family counselor namon. Guidance ang uswag. Daw sa malipot nga tiyempo, salamat kay ginshare mo ang imo blessings sa amon. Amon na guro nga, ginabless ka man kay grabe ka kamaalwan. Thank you kay ginshare mo si Toto sa amon. Nagka-instant manghod si Alex, may inaanak ako nga maghambal Mami Jean. Hidlawon gid kami sa iya kadalagaw. Magpa-kungkung sa SM, sa amon Little Piglet. Ang pagkabibo niya, amon gid mahidlawan, mag-schooling. Salamat sa pagiging open. Nga daw pwede nalusubon, di mo balay. Thank you sa pagiging genuine friend mo sa amon, sa pagiging sister, kag pagiging family mo sa amon, pagkup-kup sa amon. Thank you kay ara ka permi mamati sa amon. Hay, wala na driver mo, user-friendly. Despite the distance, thank you. Kag happy gid kami sa greener pasture kay madala mo ng imo family kag hindi ka na ma-homesick. Hoping to see you again next time. Pagkabay, hindi kami malimtan ni Tuto Kaden. God bless you, Kishan family.
Hello everyone, this is Jayan's Mortal Enemy 101, ang patulera sa mulapus. Okay, so Kish, before uswag, mas nauna ta ka upod sa mga binis, mag-process ang tanan-tanan. And at that point, I knew that you were such a wonderful person inside and out. Thank you for all the valuable lessons you shared with us and for highlighting how red flags we are. Nagululupod pa kita tanan. Salamat gid for being the cement in this plastic world. To the Tabino family, thank you so much for everything. Most especially sa pagluto sa mga namit niya food. And I would like to say good luck, God bless, we love you. Anyway, thank you so much for being the backbone and nerve endings in this friendship that I hope will never end. To our beloved Tuto Kaden, maybe you'll forget the fusha nga patulera, but our love for you and your family will always remain. Thank you for making me and Tito Leo smile, giggle, and love each other more because of you. Please always love, hug, respect, and obey your nanay as much as we love her. Explore the world because your nanay and tatay worked hard and sacrificed so much just to secure a brighter future for you. So, see you soon. I hope makaupod kita tanan. We love you and please invite us in your wedding in the future. Send tita, titos, and everyone stickers. Of course, with a picture of you. We love you so much. And thank you for everything. Binis will not be complete without Nanay Kish. You know that. Biskano basta kami subong. I know, vlog ko na kami. So, the red flags will always be red flags. So, yes. Pakabakod lang tayo sa US. Love you!
To our very generous sister sa amon pinakamangaranon nga miga, kag Wonder Mom with a golden sa amon pinakagwapa nga driver and my personal pedia. O, diba? Ano siya, 4-in-1 na. So, ikaw gid sis, nagtatakagid sa amon nga heart. Kumbaga, i-treasure yun naman ang tanan-tanan mga memories with us. Kag, gapasalamat gid ako kay napormata ang binis nga grupo. Kag, nanging support system, ginata nang isa kag isa sa padayon natin di sa DepEd. Without you, hindi kami guro kadugay 3 years sa DepEd. So sis, madamo niya salamat kay kung ikaw gani busy ka na kag-hectic ang schedule mo, still you find time gid para i-assist kami financially. Pati na sis, thank you gid sa tanan, and of course ang unconditional love mo nga napakita sa amon for me. Always know that we love you, especially kay Tuto Kaden, nga cute na cute, and kabay pamanugangan siya sa US, no? And we are very happy gid, and finally all of the nine nakamutanan kag happy family nakamo dito sa US together with Tatay Jodan, Kaden, and Nanay Kish. Bon voyage, sis, and always know that we love you so much.